The bananas were in the refrigerator, that's why they're dark in color. I wanted to stop the ripening process, so I had them in the refrigerator. Oh. We're gonna make a banana cake. With fresh caramelized bananas on top. Quarter cup of sugar and 2 tablespoons of butter. I'm going to cook this until it dissolves and caramelizes. So we'll cook this until the sugar dissolves and caramelizes, and then we'll put the bananas in there. This process doesn't take very long, so here we are. It's nice and caramelized, and we'll just place our bananas in here now. Carefully. One egg, half a cup of sugar, pinch of salt, and some vanilla extract. So in here I have 1 egg, half a cup of sugar, a pinch of salt, and some vanilla extract. Vegetable oil. About 4 tablespoons. After adding the oil, add a 1/4 cup of milk. Continue whisking here. Now we'll get some flour. Okay, to the liquid mixture, we'll add 1 1/3 cup of all-purpose flour. And we'll whisk that in once we get it all sifted in here. Let's get this all mixed in. And that's a lovely consistency. Now we need to add the baking powder. One and a half teaspoons of baking powder. Whisk this in also. Make sure it's mixed in there. I'll just get rid of that. Get my sides down, get this all mixed in. Perfect. So now we're going to pour this mixture onto the bananas. Just make sure it goes all over. And once we're done, we can spread it with the spatula and smooth it off. Okay, let's get it all in there. Let's try to smooth it off a little here. Okay, just need it to look presentable. But this is going to cook on a very low heat for 15 to 20 minutes. And this is going to be done on the stove. This is not going into the oven. So let's get the cover. And we'll cover and get it on on my lowest range here, which is about this one, the smallest. Let that heat up for a while whilst we get the cover, and I'll be back. So here we go. We're going to use the very small low heat for about 15 to 20 minutes, and I'll be back. Okay, so now after about 20 minutes, I tested, and it comes out clean. So now we just have to invert on a plate, and I'll show you the next step. So now I just have a prepared plate. What I did, I just sprinkled a few drops of olive oil on the plate, and I brushed it just to spread it around. So now I'm going to do the inversion. I'm just going to put this plate on top of the pan, and then we'll just do a flip. And we still return it. So you have to be very low fire, but it's nice and caramelized as it is right now. I thought it was like burnt, but it's just caramelized. Gets an extra caramelization, and I place it back on the low fire, and just turn that back up. So it's a low fire. And we'll just let the bottom cook for about 10 minutes or so. But 3:15 we'll take it off.